පතුල යට ඉඳලා මුතු ඇටයක නිදි කරවා දින කැටියක පා කරලා මගේ දෝතට පුතු ආවා මගේ දෝතට පුතු ආවා
I see, and then I say to myself, it's never as it seems. 'Cause I am the one, I rule my world. Nobody rule my destiny. 'Cause you are the one, you rule your world. No bad man on your destiny. Leave me alone, let me live my life. Leave me alone, let me live it up, live it up. Leave me alone.
I'm Chanlamir. I'm the project manager of this conservation center. Actually, the reason why I have started this project to protect this marine life. From my childhood, I saw lots of people kill turtle and ate turtle eggs. Then my vision and mission to protect this sea turtle for our future generation, as well as my future target to open shark conservation project in Sri Lanka. It will be a new life experience to our human. And also I would like to invite worldwide volunteers to work with us. We wish all the best tourism leaders summit in Colombo.